Alden, Richards, and Barbie Fortesa magkasama nag-jogging sa Ayala Avenue. And kasama nila sila Christopher Martin at Jana. And morning run and nag-enjoy ang tatlo. And sila Barbie and Alden saka si Christopher. And ang mga grupo sila magkakasama nag-morning run dyan.
Good morning, girl.
Good morning!
Grabe si Barbie, ang lakas ng boses eh.
Hindi ka maghati.
Madaling
Balik
araw.
ang QC. Ay, sorry.
Enjoy si Barbie. Ito pa, morning run nila. And lahat ng tinakbo nila, may 8 kilometers sa loob ng 1 hour and 13 minutes. Ito, ang ganda pa na smile ni Barbie. Sabi niya, post niya sa kanya Instagram, sabi niya, early morning run, something I ever imagine I would say, but here I am on a Sunday morning with the best peps and a big smile on my face. Happy Sunday indeed. Hindi lang sa UP, di naman siya tumakbo. Hindi hanggang Ayala Avenue din. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Live. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.